Hey everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to unfollow everyone on Facebook in just one click. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Open your Facebook app and make sure you have logged in to your account. Now you have two methods to unfollow unwanted people in Facebook. We will discuss both, but the second method is way too fast. First method is, go to people or friends icon. Now tap on your friends. Search for the person which you want to unfriend or unfollow. Tap on the three dots at the right side of that profile. Tap on unfriend or unfollow. If you tap unfriend, then confirm by tapping on unfriend. That's a way long method to unfollow multiple persons. Here is the short method for you. Click on your profile and tap on settings. Search for content preferences and tap on it. Click on unfollow, and that's it. Now you can unfollow anyone you want in just single click. Unfollowing friends on Facebook is a great way to keep your feed tidy without causing any drama. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide Garage for more tips like this.